Let's add the final section. So I'm going to click Add Section. You can see the final one we have is a custom HTML section. So this is for maybe anyone who's familiar with coding out there that want to kind of customize their own section. This is probably better for like simple things with HTML. If you wanted to add a fully customized section, obviously it'd be better to create a new file or a new section file within the theme itself. But if you want something, maybe a quick HTML section or a quick like HTML with some easy CSS added, this is a good way to do that. So how we set up this section is we do have some of the basic settings available, such as background color, top and bottom padding, and animation set up. So I'll just show you if we change the background color of this section will change on us. And down here we can add top and bottom padding like we always can to the section, as well as an animation type here. So let's just select one and click Save. You can see the little animation there once the section loaded up. And here we have inputs for custom HTML, custom CSS, and custom JavaScript. So here's where you would, if you're familiar with HTML, here's where you would input that. So in this example, we have a paragraph tag element here with some basic text. So if we change this text, obviously change what's in the paragraph, and then assigned to this paragraph element here, we have a class assigned to it called test class. And then we actually defined that test class here. So if you're not familiar with coding at all, this might look a little strange, but basically we define the properties of this test class right here. And if I just add some breakpoints here, it might be a little easier to see. So within the test class, which is assigned to this paragraph element, we gave it a font size of 30 pixels. So let's just change that here. You can see that it decreased the font size. We give it a margin of auto, so it's centered aligned. So if we remove this, then you can see that it would actually justify, I believe, as the default. But you can see it's off the screen now. Next up we have the color. So obviously you can change the color of it there. And down here you can do custom JavaScript. Honestly, if you're going to be adding like JavaScript and getting that much into it, unless it's a very simple use case that you're trying to do here, I would probably just recommend that you create a custom section and code it that way. But if it is simple JavaScript, then you could add some scripts here and then bring them into basically reference your JavaScript within your HTML. But again, for anyone familiar with coding, this is probably not the best solution if you're doing anything complicated. And yeah, that's about it for this section. So it's pretty simple. Obviously, you can add other things here like image classes, or if you have any maybe third-party applications that you use and you'd like to import any like custom HTML code, like an iframe or something for like a YouTube video, for example, then this might be a good section for that. It might just be like one piece of HTML line that you need to copy and paste here. Then this section would be great for that purpose for sure. And that is it. So thanks for sticking with me through all these sections. As you can see, there's a lot, and we covered a lot in this tutorial here, or in these videos that we just went over. So thanks for watching, and in the next videos we'll look at more of the custom landing pages and more about how the Power Theme is set up and how we can actually use all of these sections within our custom landing pages, not just our homepage. So look forward to seeing you in the next videos. I guess one last note is not every section will be available within the custom landing pages. For example, I believe some of these collection images sections and a few other ones that are available on the homepage aren't available on the custom landing pages, but the vast majority of these would be. So yeah, look forward to diving into that with you guys, and I'll see you in the coming videos. Thanks for watching.